Alright, into the second half of the first weekend of the final month of 2023. December 3rd, 2023. Tyler Hayes here, 1438. Coming to you from West Ladysmith along the Canadian Nationals Barron Sub Main. At milepost 128.7, shy of milepost 129. With a video lined up for you. Going to have the roll by of the S772 51 of the 27th here, as it was in tow on the extra 404 that was just recently here and is already on the move. Going to have a Gevo to lead it, sporting Nathan P3s. Two other units in tow. Let's check them out on the roll by. As it heads inbound for Weyerhaeuser, we'll lean back and get them. Here we go. Four units with it. How about that? The DPU equipped ES44 DC is back, 2241. S772 5624. My first of the next batch of the C6M rebuilds of the new 3325 519 duo, the 17 and 5442. The extra 519 will be on after S772 is done. S772 started from Swan Landing, Alberta, Canada. As it will head inbound for Weyerhaeuser. Last time I remembered, the 3325 was running second on M345 several months back. S772 should now have authority on the Barron Sub Main, milepost 126 and milepost 110. S772. WFRX 805708. End of train devices going. How about that? That is impressive. So there you go. That will do it for the S772 51 of the 27th. And we'll do it for the CN 2241, the 5604, the new 3325, and the 519 power of the SD60 Duo of the 5417 and 5442. As that duo and more than likely the 3 units that you saw will be brought back light and may pick up any loads or empties on the return, which can be possible. So that'll do it for this video at West Ladysmith at mile 128.7, shy of milepost 129. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great evening. I'll see you next time, and I hope I'll see you along the main line. From West Ladysmith, Tyler Hayes out.